What's going on, guys? See if we get anybody in here right now. A little late night. Watching this Zen trade. Hold on a second. Let some people get in here. What's going on, guys? We're going to talk about Zen real quick. Wanted to make sure everybody kind of knew our thinkings on what I'm thinking and what Nick's thinking. Nick was on this one from 15 when he interviewed the lead developer. Let me send out a few more. I haven't sent out the usual one. Just get on here real quick. Hold on one second. Let me do a couple tweets here to get a few regular people in here that might want to discuss this. I'm sure maybe some of you know Binance new listing with ZenCash. That took the thing up about quick 40%. Just want to do a kind of quick update here. We just touched on the ZenCash USD. We went to $51. We're back here at $47.73. So it's interesting. At the end of the night show, Nick said buy Bitcoin. I just said buy Zen, but it got cut off. So Nick put it on a piece of paper real quick and put it up for viewers that are still watching. So we own a little bit of this for PCG clients. If you are a PCG client and do own it, then I'm not going to sell it. I know Nick is going to bed, and Nick said he was going to put some offers in a little bit higher. He might have just got knocked out at 51. You can see we've had this uptrend line here that would have been right about in there. I'm not sure exactly where he put his sell orders in. He said he was going to sell a little bit before he went to bed, and then he was going to put offers above. I am not going to sell, I don't believe. I thought maybe, what's up, JR? I thought maybe that Bitcoin was still making a short-term low here. So if Bitcoin can stay firm, then I think the Zen probably will continue higher. I just like the coin still longer term. You can see I did have the objective here marked 48 to 52, which we just did. That was from an earlier objective when we was watching it back here at 25. So, there's much higher objectives in place. So it's all going to matter. What I really think is what Bitcoin does, whether we continue this rally here or this is going to be a quick pump. Nick just said that I think it goes live on Binance still in like 2 hours. So there might be a bigger pump going into the actual trading. So maybe we get a pump up in a couple hours and then further pullback. So we've only got about 19 people in here. I don't think I did some of the regular tweets, and actually probably our YouTube notifications probably didn't make it out. What's up, IcerBest? What's up, Wrench Gang? What's up? So really just wanted to go in here and talk about Zen real quick. A lot of these other coins everybody knows we've had a pretty big sell-off here. I really wasn't expecting them this deep here short term, but Zen was obviously a quick one. So, and shout out to Nick. Nick interviewed the lead developer down here at 15. we started doing some Wyckoff analysis on it at 24.25. It did run quick, and I wasn't able really to pick it up. I picked a little bit up here around the 28 and bought a little bit today at 34. I really wanted to buy it on some Bitcoin weakness. I really didn't want this news to come out really when it did today. So we obviously had no news. We wasn't aware of the news coming, even though it was funny that Nick typed up that buy Zen and put it on the screen right when we was closing our broadcast. So what's up, Max Expo? I just said I'd jump on here if we had any big moves, so I thought Zen running up 45% was a pretty big move. And again, I'm trying to get more comfortable going live here by myself, especially in the mornings and some late nights too when we get some big moves. So that's all. If anybody has any other coins they want to talk about or any other thoughts, but I just want to let people know that Nick is going to take a few profits up here, especially if it goes higher in the next 2 hours. And I'm long a little bit, and I'm probably holding it. I think Zen's still a good long-term coin. I'm trying to hit some home runs here more than I am on quick short trades. So what's up, Blake? Tried to join through Twitter to live stream, couldn't open it. Well, I might have made a mistake there. Again, this isn't my forte, so that's probably why I didn't get as many people in here watching. So, and we had a little bit of a problem with our XSplit when Nick left. I kind of fixed that on my own here a little bit. So, thanks for the heads up. Again, I don't have much. Bitcoin is 7,900. I really didn't expect to see it down here. I kind of still think we're probably doing some type of B wave. I think we do get a run up from here. And whether Zen tops out short term, I think Zen's a good coin. And I'd still be trying to buy it on a pullback if we get any type of pullback. What's up, Blake? So that's all really, guys. I'm going to probably head out, try to get a little bit of sleep. Maybe set an alarm for an hour and a half or two, see if it runs again. But really, again, I just want to get on here, get a little more comfortable going live by myself, and catch you guys another time. SYS, I don't really own that myself. I know we talked about it on the show. SYS USD. I talked about it. It was acting really well up here at 43 cents. I still would like that one. I mean, obviously this came down with the sell-off in Bitcoin. So I like that chart pattern. It's staying relatively firmer than quite a few coins. So that's some good volume down here on the rally. So, and really, if you're looking at Elliott Wave, that could have been a one and a nice, excellent ABC pullback. So I'd be on that one. SNM USD. Normally I chart the USDs, and then I think they're easier to trade. So SNM, definitely some selling coming in with Bitcoin. I mean, a lot of these coins have done that. So I still think the coins will dig out of here. You know, I think Bitcoin could still go up and do that 91, 9200 maybe, whether it starts from right here or a little bit lower. So I wouldn't be a seller here. I'd still try to nibble here. I would stay long. You're welcome, Antonio Van Kooten. There's not much else. ZenCash, 325. Another one of those made a quick low, 305 back to 325. So what else here I was going to look at? DigiBytes came down a little bit. Let's check Decred. That's been unbelievably strong. 107 on Decred. About, 11 off the high or so. Late night with the Todd Father. All right, we got Nick to go to bed, so. And I don't have much to talk about here. I mean, these coins, as you know, are really weak. Bitcoin 7,900. I still like the way Stratus is acting. That's not a coin I've done much in the past, but I did the Wyckoff analysis on it. It's holding support at good levels, even with the sell-off today, because it had a good morning. Had a good run to the 615. Quick sell-off down there with Bitcoin, and then really back to 590 again. So for some reason that one's acting well again. So I don't know, just like Zen, whether Stratus can catch you when you're not looking. So Zen 47 made a 51. And I did respect the uptrend channel. I'm not sure, again, these objectives, I have way higher objectives. That was a first objective coming off of here. But I would just expect probably some type of sideways accumulation here, maybe between the 45 and 51 level or something. So that's all, guys. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll try to catch you guys in the morning. And